Hi, good morning. My name is Devashini, daughter of Murendi. Number matrix 17 DDT 22F2052. Their team is Chamatun Usna bin Timo Azahar and Tanusha Devi and Abhupal Jaibalan. Today I am going to present about problem based tasks. I'm going to task 1. Alpha Taxadrabahan is newly forward company which is involved in networking and communication field. As an IT engineer, you are required to do a research regarding the telecommunication service in your area. You also to find a suitable software and hardware for troubleshooting. So first, compare four different mobile telecommunication company telcos in Sabah. So I choose Hotlink for cost per month prepaid. There are four package which is 40 ringgit 12 Mbps, package 2 50 ringgit 24 Mbps, 25 ringgit 60 GB 5G, package D 35 ringgit 100 GB 5G. So these four different package, different Mbps and different GB. For postpaid, there are four package also. So four package, four different GB and four different payment. Next, I choose Celcom DG for prepaid. So unlimited data for 25 ringgit and unlimited data 39 ringgit. You all can see for 25 ringgit got 15 GB and 39 ringgit for got 200 GB. So different package, different GB. For postpaid, got 5 package which is 70 ringgit 300 GB, 90 ringgit 500 GB, 110 unlimited data, 130 unlimited data, 150 unlimited data. And then I choose U Mobile for prepaid 25 ringgit unlimited 6 Mbps, 35 ringgit for unlimited 12 Mbps, 40 ringgit for unlimited 12 Mbps, 50 ringgit for unlimited 24 Mbps. So you all can see for this package got different unlimited Mbps. For postpaid, 120 GB for Rm38 ringgit, 500 GB for Rm860 ringgit, 1000 GB for 98 ringgit per month. After that, I choose cost per month prepaid, which is Unify for postpaid 39 ringgit and 69 ringgit and 99 ringgit. These three difference 3 Mbps. For Unify postpaid, there are four package which is 10 ringgit for Unify 10, for 35 ringgit for Unify 35, for 25 ringgit Unify 25, for 50 ringgit Unify 15. Second one, telcos have a different charges. Explain the reason on why all telcos have different charge to their customer. So for first is cost of infrastructure and network investment. Costly tower, fiber optics, and equipment are needed to build and run a telecom network. These costs, which are passed on to users, are driven by network scale and quality, particularly in more sophisticated networks like 5G. Costs are increased by telcos payment for spectrum and bandwidth license consequently. Networks with more coverage and faster connection typically have higher charges. Second one, service differentiate. Telecom company provides several plans to suit the need of the customer. Premium plans cost more and include benefits like 5G access, unlimited data, and additional data, while basic plans are less expensive but contain less data, For a price, some plans permit extra like international call. For easy use, customer can select basic plan. For more features and quicker speeder, they can pay more. The third one is market competitive. Pricing plans are influenced by competition. To draw client in cutthroat telecom market, business may reduce pricing which could have effect for earnings. They might increase costs in places where there is less in order to maintain their competitiveness. Telcos may also provide discount on bundle service which is TV, broadband and mobiles. The fourth one, target market and customer segmentation. Telcos tailor pricing to different customer segments. They are offer budget-friendly plan for student and young user, data-rich and service-enhanced plan for business, and premium plans with faster speed, unlimited data for high-value client. This range of options allow telcos to meet diverse need and set prices accordingly. Last one is telcos have different charge. Discuss about the 5G implementation in Malaysia. 5G rollout. Malaysia through Digital National Berhad DNB is establishing a single nationwide 5G network for fair telco access. The government allocate the 3.5 GHz spectrum to support low latency and fast internet speeds, aiming for full coverage by 2025, starting in major cities. So benefit is speed. 5G is up to 100 faster than 4G, enhancing gaming, streaming, and download. Low latency enable real-time service like remote healthcare, autonomous vehicle, and smart industry. Smart city and IoT support more connected device crucial for smart city and IoT application. Economic growth drive innovation and productivity benefiting sector like manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. There are some challenge for high cost infrastructure upgrade are costly, spectrum limitation, delay in allocating additional spectrum like 700 MHz for wider range. For public awareness device costs, consumer need education on 5G and high device costs may limit adoption. Digital divide, rural access may face lower 5G access than urban areas. Next, I'm going to pass with Tanisha. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tanusha Balan. My metric number is F2027. So now I'm going to continue the presentation, which is comparing different software and hardware for network troubleshooting. So for software part is first is Wireshark tool. The type is packet analyzer, and the use case is packet analysis, network traffic, and inspection. And for the advantage is free, detailed, support multiple protocols, and for disadvantage is steep learning curve, require technical knowledges. Second tool is ping plotter. So type is network performance monitoring, and the use case is troubleshooting latency, identify slow parts, and for the advantage is user friendly and visual display. For disadvantage is paid software, less detailed, and less detailed than Wireshark. So the last tool is SolarWinds NPM. The type is network monitoring also, and the use case is continuously monitoring and large scale troubleshooting. So, for the advantage is comprehensive idea for enterprise networks, and disadvantage is expensive and also complex for smaller setups. So, in this tree, the best one is Wireshark because the best for details for packet analysis, free and supports a wide variety of network protocols. So next is about hardware. So the first tool is Fluke Network Link Runner, and the type is Network Tester. So the use case is field diagnosis for network cables, and the advantage is portable, easy to use, and immediate feedback. And the disadvantage is limited functionality and expensive. So the second tool is Net Li AirCheck G2. So the type is Wi-Fi tester, and the use case is diagnosis Wi-Fi issues in the field, And the advantage is portable, quick result, and easy to use. So disadvantage for this Net Ally is expensive, only for wireless network. So the last tool is Cisco Network Assistant (CKN). So the type is network management, and the use case is managing Cisco network in enterprise settings. And the advantage for this CAN is seamless Cisco integration, powerful for network management, and disadvantage is limited to Cisco devices, complex for non-Cisco networks. So in these three tools, best hardware is Fluke Network Link Runner. It's excellent for field diagnosis, portable, and great for testing physical connections and Ethernet issues.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Jamaat Husna binti Muhammad Zahar. My metric number is 17 DPT22F2050. I will continue the presentation. My task is task 2. Part 1 is investigate consumer one technologies for home and mobile device. Explore consumer one technologies. A. Look at the two home networks. What are the one technology used? The home networks use cable and DSL1 technologies. B. Examine the connection used in the network topology by selecting the connection icon in the PT device menu. However, the media icon to display their names in white box at bottom at the PT windows. What's the media used to connect the two home network to the ISP? The cable network use the coaxial media to connect the home cable network to the ISP. The coaxial media connect to the coaxial splitter device. What device in the home's networks are directly connect to the ISP? Phone cable connect the DSL network to the ISP. The phone cable connects to the DSL modem. C. Click the DSL modem and open the physical tab. What ports are available on the device and what is connected to them? The DSL modem has two ports. One is connected to the phone line from telco. The other port is connected to the home line over Ethernet. What is the purpose of the DSL modem? To connect a computer or router to telephone line, which provide the digital subscriber line (DSL) service for connecting to the internet. What is the types of connecting between the ISP, telco cable company network, and the home cable network? The connection to the home is made with coaxial cable. What is the simpler necessary? The simpler is necessary because the cable carry both digital data and video signal. The simpler split the media so that the data can be sent to the cable modem and the video signal to BTV. D. Look at the port on the cable modem. What does the cable modem do? The cable modem convert the cable data signal to internet signals. What connection does it have? It is connected to the coaxial cable from the simpler and UTP cable from the Ethernet interface. Which port does the cable from the cable modem connect to on the home wireless router? It connect to the Internet interface. Where did the interface IP address come from? The IP address come from the SCP network over DHCP. E. Look at the smartphone. What is IP address? The IP address is 198.51.100.100. Where did the IP address come from? The address must have come from the telco network over DHCP. What data service is the cell phone currently using, cellular data or Wi-Fi? The phone is currently using cellular data from the 3G or 4G network. Next is explore the business one. In this step, you will explore the business one. The business is retail tile store. It has local headquarters with most the business function occur and the store that are connected to the business one. F. Look at the connection menu. What different types of connection do you see in use the business network? Internet over copper and a fiber and serial. G. Open the physical view for the StoreNet switch. What types of interface are present? You may need zoom and scroll the view to see. The switch has Gigabit Ethernet Cooper media port and there is 4 modular port. There are 3 GLC, LH, SMT fiber optic, small form factor pluggable modulus insert into the modular port. These models enable to switch to connect to fiber optic internet network. Which interface and media are used to connect the store network to the business headquarters network? The stores are connected to the store net switch which Ethernet over fiber optic cable. Why was this done? This was done because this distance required to reach the store. Other provider will provide this fiber optic service, but this has been simplified for the purpose of the activities. What types of one service is used to connect of business headquarters router to the ISP? The router use a serial one connection to connect to the ISCP. Thank you.
So now I'm going to continue with the part 2, which is explore connectivity. So this one is about ping devices within the business one and the consumer one networks. So here we can see store 1 1 ping store 2 1. So here for the ping is 192.168.20.3. So here the result and can ping with package send for and receive for. So in this slide, we can see store 1 1 can ping store 2 3. So the IP address is 192.168.20.4. So here's the result it can ping. So beside this, we can see store 1 3 can ping store server 0. So the IP address is 192.168.101.100. So here the result can ping also. So in this slide, we try to ping store 21, ping store 31. So the IP address is 192.168.30.4. So here the result can ping the store 21. So the next one is store 11, ping store 31. So the IP address 192.168.30.4. So the store 11 can ping the store 31. Here the result can see. So here another explore connectivity, which is store 1 2 can ping store 1, which is IP address is 192.168.10.0. So here we can see the result it can ping. So next one is store 2 3 can ping store 2. So the IP address 192.168.20.0. So here can see the results. It can ping store 2 3. So next is about store 31 can ping store 3. So the IP address is 192.168.30.0. So here's the result. Can ping store 31. So next one is PC1 ping web server. So the IP address is 209.165.200.226. So can ping to PC1. So here's the result. So in this slide, we can see laptop 1 ping web server. So IP address is 209.165.200.226. So the laptop 1 can ping to the web server and is successful. So the next one is laptop 2 can ping to web server also. The IP address is 209.165.200.226. The same IP address also we can ping to laptop 2. So the bot is result is successfully ping. So in this slide, we can see laptop 1 ping to store 2 1. So right address is 192.168.20.3, but it cannot ping because the main reason is both is different one. And host in bot network can ping to the web server, but host on the business one network cannot ping host on the consumer one network. So for the question, is this good situation? The answer is yes. And this network should not be directly reachable from outside for the security reasons. And that's it from expert connectivity part. So this one is the last part from the part 3, which is documentation. And here we have device all the devices, interfaces, IP address, and default gateway. So that's it from us. Thank you so much.